Welcome to Solar Sovereign, your premier distributor of cutting-edge renewable energy solutions. Today, we are thrilled to welcome our partnership with Endur Energy Systems. With this partnership comes the introduction of the ESP-5100, a groundbreaking product by Endur Energy Systems, setting new standards in the energy storage industry. Let's dive into the specifications and explore why this brand new innovation is the perfect choice to empower your home by harnessing solar power. The ESP-5100 is the world's first, yes, you heard that correctly, world's first EMP hardened battery for unparalleled resilience. The Endur ESP-5100 is purpose-built to exceed industry standards, providing unmatched reliability for your critical infrastructure. With a robust capacity of 100 Ah and a high depth of discharge, this battery ensures prolonged power supply when you need it most. Additionally, it operates efficiently across a wide range of temperatures, making it a versatile choice for various environments. Before we dive into more specifications, let's discuss why EMP hardening technology is groundbreaking in a solar battery and why this new product will revolutionize your home safety. EMP, electromagnetic pulse, hardening technology in a battery, also known as EMP-resistant or EMP-shielded batteries, refers to a design and construction that makes the battery capable of withstanding the potentially destructive effects of electromagnetic pulses. EMPs are brief bursts of electromagnetic radiation that can result from natural phenomena like solar flares, or be generated intentionally, as in the case of a nuclear detonation or a high-altitude nuclear explosion. These pulses can induce electrical currents in electrical and electronic devices, potentially damaging or disabling them. That's where EMP-hardened batteries come in. In the chart above, the radiated EMP regions are practically laughed at by the ESP-5100, as it would have no effects on it, thus protecting your home. Now that you have more knowledge on what EMP technology is, let's dive into the specifications. The ESP-5100 boasts a LiFePO4 battery, which ensures long-lasting performance with a remarkable recommended depth of discharge of 90%. Extending your system's life and value. The ESP-5100's round-trip efficiency of 97% ensures that the energy you store is efficiently utilized when you need it, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. The ESP-5100 has a charge temperature range from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as a discharge temperature range from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. With a wide operating temperature range, it adapts to various environmental conditions, ensuring uninterrupted power supply. Our commitment to quality is further underlined by our comprehensive list of certifications, including UL 9540, UL 1973 CEC, and SGIP, assuring you of the highest industry standards in safety and performance. Why shop with Solar Sovereign? We have top-tier lifetime customer support for any product you purchase with us. We offer expedited shipping to anywhere in the US. Some areas may require a custom quote. We have the best prices guaranteed, and if for some reason you find a better price elsewhere, we will match it. We also offer discounts like this one here, since you made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.